Hello, Peter Detmer, Madison College. We just downloaded this project file and had added the configuration files for the DeviceNet and ControlNet. Now that the file was loaded, we see that there are some warnings on some of these items. So we will demonstrate how you can fix this. These yellow exclamation marks mean there's something not working in these units. Since it's all of the items after this ControlNet card, it is very likely that the ControlNet has not been scheduled. In order to do so, we're going to go into program mode, then right click on slot 5, the CNET card, go to properties, go to RS Networks. We're going to click the Schedule ControlNet button and click the Launch RS Networks for ControlNet. This will automatically open the installed version of RS Networks for ControlNet. We have version 11. This will prompt you there's a mismatch, which is why we have those errors. So it's going to download the file and from configurations from the ControlNet card. Okay, so now all the information has been downloaded from the ControlNet card. There's a diagnostics option that we can run. We want to click Edits Enabled. Then we'll run the start. It's going to go through and look at each individual item in the rack, look at all the ControlNet devices. Now that this has all been checked out, we can go to Network and say Download to Network. This will update the ControlNet Keeper file and schedule the ControlNet so that all items will schedule and run and communicate. So the download has completed. You can see down here in the message codes that these devices has been updated. The address configuration now matches. And to verify, we can simply close RS Networks, click OK in RSlogix5000, go back into run mode. But you can see that all of these yellow exclamation marks are now gone. I/O is OK, and we're good to go. Thank you for your time.